This is my new favorite night cream. It is ELM A30 cream, and it is a game changer. It's designed to work while you sleep, and it uses this next generation technology, which is retinol plus hydrating ingredients to help smooth your fine lines, improve your texture, and keep your skin super hydrated overnight. What I love is that it feels so lightweight and so great on the skin, and it is gentle enough to use. I had zero irritations with this night cream, and I have very sensitive skin. So if you want something really effective and just simple to use for your nighttime routine, I don't like to use all the things. This one is absolutely amazing. All in one, hydrating, brightening, and it is just going to make your skin feel great in the morning. Check it out.